did
Yet
you
to
get?
sleep.
Yeah. He looks like he hasn't slept yet.
No, I'm not sleep it.
Is that pretty much it?
Maybe, I get like 2 hours sleep.
All right, well, guess
Yeah.
what? I'm going to give you a minute. 1 minute for
Power
wake
nap.
up.
A power
Okay.
nap.
Oh, how
What
long
is
we have time? Forgive a minute. 1 minute.
1 minute.
All right, we're going to do
Yeah,
the
I'm
trending
fine.
topics
Yeah,
and then we'll come back to the DJ so he can wake up. It's time for the trending topics. Yeah, this has been a running joke for me all week. Jamaica's finance minister, Alicia, racked up an 8.3 million Jamaican dollar cell phone bill. The finance minister indicated that Minister Shaw was only told about this high phone bill this year after the ministry's financial secretary got wind of all of the RJR's ATI requests in March. The 3 lowest bills for the minister over the period was one bill for more than $5,000, which I think is quite reasonable. Another bill for $22,000, which, I mean, if you're doing a lot of work, I can understand. And another one at $68,000, which that's sort of like a pricey, but you know, if the data get out of control, that's all right. However, the highest bills came in December, August, October, and in December, oh bless the Lord, the minister's bill was more than $838,000. In August, it was more than $1.5 million. But here's the kicker. In October, the cell phone bill for the finance minister reached more than $4.2 million. All right, guys. How it happened? Please explain to me how a phone bill can reach $8.3 million.
And you can't even send that amount of credit. Like, you know, look, the family member himself credit too.
What kind of data you could accumulate that can do that?
Who approves of these things?
Nobody approves it. You don't hear when them hear about it when RJ made the request.
That's crazy.
So it's not that somebody approved it. It's just that they have a phone, they're allowed to use the phone. And
but that
when
doesn't make sense, man.
What I would like to know is why the service provider don't stop it before it reached there. You know why? Tell me why.
Well,
Because they're going to get paid.
yeah, it's all about money. It's all
And
about
you know
money.
where it's coming from? Out of your pocket.
Taxpayer
Bless the
money.
Lord. That's where it's coming from. Anyway, what do you think?
But this is for August and October. The finance minister said Mr. Shaw traveled overseas for official and urgent personal reasons. According to the ministry, he was involved in finalizing Jamaica's precautionary standby agreement with the IMF. A query with the service provider later showed that the charges were due to data usage while roaming.
So that much just say
Yeah.
data. I don't know how the data going.
Yeah, but the service provider not gonna shut that off. And you say it about
No, it's come on. And if for any reason that's how we're gonna handle it, if it's a government thing and it's for emergencies, then don't charge them, service providers, since they're over there handling our business. Don't charge them for data then.
So, no business.
If that's what you're gonna do, don't charge them for it.
8.something million though.
It's insane. That is what kind of when did I do?
You
Did I
probably-
run like the entire airport with a Wi-Fi?
Somebody say him could have financed Manchester Wi-Fi, put on him hotspot, the whole of Manchester.
Anyway, I'm past that. I really am. I hear them give him a $1 million discount on the bill.
Oh, I'm getting a discount?
$1 million. So,
Anyways, Jamaica rounded out in the top 3 countries ranked among CNN's travel's 14 coolest nationalities. In an online post, CNN said there are more to Jamaicans than reggae, including Rastafarianism, which is described as the most kickback religion ever invented. They noted that Jamaicans have an accent that's the envy of the English-speaking world and the planet's most distinctive and recognizable hairstyle, dreadlocks. Well, I don't have dreadlocks, and I like my hairstyle. Note to backpackers, dreadlocks only looks cool on actual Jamaicans, CNN Travel mentioned. They also dubbed sprint legend Usain Bolt as the icon of cool. However, they said what makes Jamaica not so cool are its high murder rates and widespread homophobia. Taking the top spot was Brazil, followed by Singapore. The United States of America filled the number 5 spot behind Mongolia and were followed by Korea, Spain, Japan, Botswana, China, Australia, etc., etc.
well, that's good, right? We're the third coolest place in the world.
I say this all the time. I don't think we're capitalizing on the what's the word? Can't remember the word.
On all of the...
I can't remember the word.
We have a lot of attributes. Jamaica is awesome. We have so much to be
Music,
grateful for.
sport.
And you're right. I don't think we do
No, sir.
capitalize on everything that we have to offer. We have so much that we haven't even tapped into
Oh,
yet.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
And we have people, our people. That is
Well,
fantastic.
sometimes our people are good and sometimes they're not the
Anywhere
best
in
thing
the
in the world. Because earlier this week we had tourism minister on and he was telling us that you know, the way how Jamaican people bomb rush the tourists when they come here on the cruises, you know, we're having a problem with that. Again, guys, if you're one of those people, please don't run the tourists. We need them. We need them to be able to make some money. But yeah, that's good. We're the third coolest place on earth. That's awesome.
And I love it. I love it.
Couldn't choose a better country to come from, right? Because I'm so proud. All right, the next topic is something that kind of irks me the wrong way. And I know so enough I'm not going to beat me over it, but I'm not really business. Aishana has once again found herself in hot water. Yes, man. After her fans online said she disrespected Miss Lou and Jamaica's history. On Saturday, the equal rights singer sent fans into a frenzy when she uploaded a skimpy outfit on her Instagram account. And I quote, "Me not dressed in a tablecloth like Miss Lou," end quote, Aishana wrote. And then she said, hashtag RIP Miss Lou. She added, however, that's what she added after. However, the fans aren't having it, claiming that the former Down South recording artist is now passing her place. I agree. There is a certain level of respect that we have to give to our icons, national heroes and people of great importance in our country because they have set the tone for us to be able to do what we do. I was talking to Tammy earlier and she said, Miss Kitty, if you realize the line
How she speaks.
that Miss Kitty walks when she speaks, when Kadeen talk, you know, she can speak very, very, very good English. And she can also jump right down into the patois and give you the vernacular when it's necessary. But who do you think started that? Who do you think gave us that kind of example?
Yeah, man, I have a problem with that because Miss Lou had done so much to put us on the map.
Of course.
You know, and for people to recognize Jamaica for our language, our culture, and for Aisha to say what she said.
The Honorable Louise Bennett Covell.
Called
Really?
everything.
Come on.
And it's just and to stay relevant, I can't understand it. She fine. You sing your song about your equal rights and you get your attention. Why you need to go disrespect somebody like that? Disrespect someone who has done so much for you.
Do you think it's lack of knowledge?
Yeah, it is.
Because that's the only thing that can come to my
Ignorance.
brain. Like, you aren't aware of who she is and what she has done, so something like that can actually pass your lips.
And because she's
Or
not
pass your
aware,
fingers.
and because she's not aware of the culture, she can allow even people outside can disrespect her.
Yeah.
Because she doesn't know her own culture.
Them say any publicity are good publicity. That them say so. But ma'am, don't do that. And guess what? People really don't respect that and respect you right now because of it. So.
Well, to someone we do respect, better known by his stage name of Chronics, Jamar McNaughton just released his debut album, Chronology, a 16-track collection bringing together songs from across his musical career, some dating back to 2011. Now he holds the #1 spot on the iTunes Reggae Top 10.
Yes! Big up to Chronology. You know, say he's the boss.
Wanna fire, you know?
Did you get a chance to listen to it?
No, I listened to some of the songs. I Can so far is my favorite.
Is that going to be his new single?
I think so. I think that's what Jody said.
Well, we're going to ask the DJ later on for running. You love it?
It's playing right now.
Oh, it's a play?
I can't hear it.
Oh, true, me never hear it, man. But
Golden Boy.
yeah, yes. That's right. Chronic's fire. I got to love Chronic's. He's really good. And I didn't know that he was only... Maybe I shouldn't tell people how old he is. All right, I won't tell you. If you want to know, that's for you to go and look it up. But he's really talented, especially for being his age. He's very talented. That's it for Trending Topics. Again, let us know what you think on all our social media pages, Twitter, Instagram, on Facebook. Of course, you can check us out on One Spot Media and also on televisionjamaica.com. Yeah.